You're gonna piss the you're gonna piss the lifeguard off if you swim behind the ropes.
What lifeguard?
That lifeguard. Him.
He's not even dead.
Him. I guess you could do. Yeah, I don't know. I remember he was getting mad and yelling at you guys to swim in the ropes.
But anyway, those bees were so big. And then I saw one. It looked like it sounded like a helicopter coming at me. It's coming at me, and it's got one of those bugs in it. It's carrying a bug. And he lands right next to his hole. So I'm sitting there watching him like this. And he tries to get it down the hole. The hole's not big enough. So he pulls it over, stings it again to numb it up. Doesn't kill it, just stings it. And then he goes over, and they're like dogs. Digging the hole big, and dirt's flying all over the place. And then he goes over and picks up the bug and he brings it back down. Now, what they do is they put it in the nest. So when the babies hatch, they have fresh food. Amazing.
How big was the bee?
He's right behind you.
Oh. Oh, he just flew away.
Yeah, he's right behind. That's
yeah, a lot of bees.
Cicada bees.
Cicada bees?
Cicada bees.
Oh, cicada bees. Yeah, they put their hives underground here a lot. I see a lot of bees putting their hives.
They're probably around. If they're around now, they got a bee's nest somewhere. A nest somewhere.
What do you think of Biden going on?
Where's the bee? Yeah,
I
there.
wasn't gonna vote for him.
What's our country coming to? What's our country coming to?
I don't know.
You have a bunch of these knuckleheads that don't know how to be president.
Well, why don't you be the president?
Sure, I'll be better. Oh, yeah, I could do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you could.
Yeah.
I'll vote for you, Eric.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Vote for Eric? Yeah. Vote for Eric.
Cool. You'll be an Eric supporter.
Look at him, she's sound asleep. Yeah? Looking for that Matador.
Hey, I see a big hole underneath this rock. I think they have a hive underneath there.
Maybe. Yeah, that's what That's what they do. Yeah, he does. Look at how big he is.
Yeah.
Yeah, his hole's right there.
Yeah.
That's his hole.
Yeah.
Right there. Look at how big he is. That's a big dude.
Let's get some spray and spray this area down.
Yep, they're underneath the rock. Nobody's gonna get you. They're not gonna sting you.
Son of a bitch.
They fly right around you, but don't scare them. They don't hurt you. Because I was standing there, they were all around me, buzzing around. As long as you don't bother them, they're fine because they got big stings.
They look scary
It
though.
is. I know, they look like how many?
I've got stung by some bees. I got stung by bees before multiple times, millions of times.
These won't bother. Unless you bother them. So I tried to get rid of those bees. I had a driveway here, patch of grass.
How was the water? I'm going back in, actually.
I actually don't
Okay.
so I didn't sign any waivers, and I would like to be kept off social media and everything.
Okay.
So please make sure I'm editing out of here.
Okay, yeah.
I came here for a break, not to be videotaped.
Yeah.
Thank you. The water was great.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm going back in. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. I'm going back in the water. It'll be nice. It'll be nice.